guys, and welcome to the completely empty town of Maranello, except for the rental Ferraris, yeah. Anyway, as you can imagine, being mid-August, most factories are shut down, and that also applies, of course, to Ferrari, yeah, sadly. And what does it mean for my video? Well, very few cars on the road, or maybe no cars at all, yeah. So I don't know, guys, wish me luck, right? Guys, we have the first spot of the day, and it's a 296 Speciale in yellow. Oh, it's now a combo with the Roma. Ah, ok. Grey puro sangue. Oh, yes, the performante. So, naturally aspirated V12 versus the V10. Do it, do it, do it. Ah, come on. It can be much louder. Yeah, clearly a test mule once again. Finally, an interesting one! The F244 prototype, the full EV one. Wow, haven't seen one of these in months. Is that the Amalfi? No, another one! Yes, it's the F250 project. What later became, yeah, the F80 Hypercar. Pretty cool! Yes, another prototype! That is definitely another Amalfi. Yeah, even if it's still very camouflaged. That might be the same puro sangue we've already seen. F250! That was a super cool prototype back in the days. Hey. Aha, we have some kind of traffic, huh? Oh, no way, what is that guy doing? No. But we can take a closer look at this beauty. There she is. No way, it's the F244 once again! Can you hear how quiet it is? Yeah, it's a fully electric one, sadly. Amalfi, once again! Yeah, full camouflaged. What do you think about that car, guys? Like, it's clearly a Roma facelift. Why the hell did they call it Amalfi and not Roma M or Roma Modificata? Talking about Romas, right? Now guys, given the incredible amount of prototypes we are seeing today, I think it might be way better to head over to the other gate, right there, cause that's where most of the prototypes get out from the factory. Looks like we are not done. I think I can see the Amalfi sneaking out. Okay, I made it to the other gate. No prototypes in sight for the time being. But sadly, guys, there is one car I completely missed while walking here. Yeah, it's a white Temerario! Come on, in Maranello! That was so cool! Well, guys, it didn't take long! Here we have the first one! It's a Speciale, yeah! An F80, yes! And judging by the license plate, I think this should be one of the media cars that we've seen on the YouTube reviews. Oh, looks like the yellow Speciale is getting back. Oh no, it's a different one. Oh, it's the Verde Nürburgring, come on! I feel like we've already seen this grey puro sangue. Guys, another F80! And it's a grey one! Wow, new spec! What the hell? Is that a Berlinetta Boxer? Wow, so clean! What is that? Another 296? Aha, Verde Nürburgring! Guys, get ready for another special one! That's right, giallo triplo strato F80! What the hell is going on? So cool! I love it! Aha, I see you! The grey F80 behind the truck! Amazing spot once again! Let's see... Yeah, there she is! Guys, I think that might be a tourist, but most importantly, the old Roma prototype. Aha, that takes me back at least a couple years. And then, what was that? Oh, white Portofino from Italy, red interior, love it. And no way, talking about white Ferraris. The white Portofino test mule! Another very, very old one! And there she goes, the white Portofino! Holy! The giallo triplo strato F80! Wow, this is so cool! I've never got this close to the F80! There she is! Completely out of focus! Well done, Sony! Guess what? Verde Nürburgring 296 Speciale. And we should have it, yes, right there. It might be time for another one. Ah, come on, it's the same grey puro sangue. Ah, at least it does sound good. Yes, Verde Nürburgring with still some camouflage around. And guys, I know this wasn't the most exciting car spotting session ever. You have to understand I've been waiting here for more than an hour just for that car to drive by. I mean, it's definitely understandable, it's mid-August in Italy, it's holiday time, right? So with that said, I think it's time for me to get back home, rest a bit. It's way too hot for me out here. See you in a few weeks when the factories will open back.